How long does it take to learn to play the harmonica? It can be really fast and really fun. This could take you 10 or 15 years to get to that kind of level. But I've developed a method that is much easier, much faster and much more fun to get from zero to mastering the harmonica quicker than any other method out there. My name's Ben Hewlett and I've taught over 100,000 people using my method. People can't believe how fast their progress is.
I've learned more in 21 days than I ever thought I could.
16 days. It's very exciting.
More than 24 days than I've had in the last 2 years.
So if you want to discover this new method of learning how to play, and if you'd like to get on this masterclass, just press the button down there. It's free. All it's going to do is ask you for your name and email address, and then they'll send you an email and it'll give you the link and you'll get straight onto it. Learning to play the harmonica, it can be really fast and really fun, and you'll learn how to get from level 1 to level 10 as fast as is possible. So click the button below and join me for this free harmonica masterclass. People can't believe the results they're getting. It's so fast.
I feel like this has been an opportunity of a lifetime for me.
Yes, I would say 100% join the programme. It's absolutely fantastic.
I've been on for 26 days now. The course is absolutely fantastic.